Hey everyone, Greg here from Carid.com and welcome back to the shop. And in today's video, I want to showcase an all-new custom wheel that we just added to the site that could very well be the next modification that you install on your truck or Jeep. This time it comes from the team that is changing the game in the off-road custom wheel segment, and this is Venomrex's all-new VR-501 custom wheel. So here they are, guys, Venomrex's all-new VR-501 custom wheels. Now, I'm going to assume that the reason most of you went ahead and clicked on this video is because, number one, you really like this wheel just as much as I do, and number two, you're wondering who is Venomrex anyway? Well, Venomrex is an all-new off-road wheel brand that we just added to the site. Now, this brand was launched in 2017, so they are relatively new to the scene, but they are rapidly making a name for themselves. Venomrex is actually a subsidiary of the incredibly well-known Vorsteiner wheel company. Now, simply put, Vorsteiner decided that they could use their innovative flow forge wheel technology in the off-road wheel market, and Venomrex was born. But if you want a complete history lesson about the team over at Venomrex, head over to our YouTube channel right now to check out our full brand review video. But for this video, you and I are just going to focus on this killer VR-501 wheel. Alright guys, once again, these are Venomrex's VR-501 custom wheels. Now, of their entire lineup, this wheel is one of the most popular styles for a few different reasons. Now, first and foremost, just look at this design. This wheel is absolutely stunning. Venomrex is incredibly focused on ensuring that each wheel that they design is innovative and modern, and I really think that they went ahead and nailed it with this VR-501. The simplistic split 5-spoke design is elegant, the center cap is robust, and the entire design is topped off with exposed lug nuts and their logo milled right into the outer lip. To me, this wheel is the complete package. But guys, that's just the design aspect of this wheel. Its construction is equally as impressive, and it's one of the features that's really putting Venomrex on the map. Now, unlike a lot of other off-road wheel brands that use a single-piece cast construction, Venomrex uses flow forging. Now, what this technique does is allow the alloy to be stronger and more durable than your traditional cast wheel. And it's also going to be worlds lighter than a cast wheel. Now, both of these features make this VR-501 perfect for both on and off-road use. This wheel is built to take the punishments of both potholes and even boulders. Alright, so now that we have the design and construction of this wheel covered, let's go ahead and look at all the available finishes and sizes. Now, for finishes, you're going to have a lot of great choices. For all 17-inch wheels, you can select from either a sinister coal black, a subtle and sleek tungsten graphite, or my personal favorite, this bright Highland Bronze. Now, 20-inch options are going to be very similar, but they do vary slightly. Now, if you do love the all blacked out look, check out this mystic black option like the ones that we have on our Jeep, or you can go with a sleek carbon graphite finish, and they also offer a very attractive desert bronze as well. Honestly, I don't think you can go wrong with any of these finishes. Now, for sizes, it's going to be a little limited, but that's okay. Now, Venomrex is not like your traditional wheel company. They are incredibly focused on the performance of their wheels. So instead of just designing a wheel to fit 20 different vehicles, they design their wheels based on the vehicles that they want them to fit. And they only offer sizes that will perform flawlessly on that specific vehicle. Now, for example, this VR-501 is offered in either 17x9 or 20x9 dimension, but is specifically designed to fit Jeep JK and JL Wranglers, Toyota Tundras, and Ram 1500 trucks. And each one of those vehicle fitments is only available in one offset, ensuring that this will be the best possible fit for your vehicle. Now, of course, the tires that you choose to wrap around them will all depend on your vehicle's suspension modifications, but that's where our wheels and tires team can help point you guys in the right direction. Well, everyone, that's going to wrap up my review today of Venomrex's all-new VR-501 custom wheel. So if you've been searching for the perfect set of custom wheels for your truck or Jeep and you can't seem to find the right style, I urge you guys to head over to Carid.com and check out this all-new VR-501 from Venomrex. And as always, I'm Greg from Carid.com, and I will see you guys next time.